Welcome to the Go Buyer Registry. This with a seller who's a bit on the fence whether to sell or not. I want to show that seller the demand on the market right now for their home. So let's get started. Click on Search for Buyers. My seller's home is a single-story detached, and we are looking to sell, not lease. It is in the Albuquerque, New Mexico area. Let's leave the rest untouched for now, and we can see how that casts the widest net possible. Now this is showing us any buyer that's registered in Albuquerque. Now let's go back and take a look at the advanced search and see what kind of criteria we can enter. So you can enter the budget, postal code, bedrooms, bathrooms, garages. You can check off any of these features. School district, neighborhood, and keywords. This little box, all words must be found. So if I type in single story, that means that it must find both of those words, not just single and not just story, if I check that. And that's how you do it. Easy peasy. If there are any other tutorials that you'd like to see, please comment below. Thank you.